Okay, everyone, I'm going to show you how to install Gmail as app on Windows. So let's start by using Google Chrome. So let's open Google Chrome and let's go ahead and search for Gmail. So let's open this. Now, next, what you need to do is to click the install icon beside the address bar if you see it in here. So you should have it and just click on install to install Gmail as an app. After that, Gmail will now launch in its own app style window. Or you can also go to the three dots right here and scroll down to Cast, Save, and Share and tap on Install Gmail. So it should say Install Gmail in here if you haven't installed Gmail yet. But if you have installed it, it will say Open in Gmail. So I've already installed Gmail on my laptop. So it will say Open Gmail. Now for the next method is using Microsoft Edge. So let's open Gmail in Microsoft Edge. So let's go ahead and search for Gmail. Let's open this one. Now what we need to do here is to click the three dot menu. Next, scroll down and look for apps. If you can't find it, go to more tools and look for apps in here. So hover over apps and click install this site as an app. So in your site, it should say install this site as an app, and then just click on that and Gmail will install in your laptop. Now, what happens after installation? So, Windows treats Gmail almost like a real app. So, it appears in the start menu. So, let's see. Let's click the start menu, and you should see the Gmail in here, or you can use the search bar and search for it. So, you can pin it to taskbar. Just right click on it and click pin to taskbar, and it opens in a separate window, and notifications can work normally. So, keeping Gmail in its own app window helps reduce tab clutter, open email faster, separate work and personal browsing, and make multitasking easier. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.